Hello everyone, myself Hemant Panchal from New Catholic Mission School, Jhavva. Today we discuss exercise 1.3 for class 6 mathematics subjects. In the previous video, we already discussed introduction about the estimation. For your previous knowledge, what is the estimation? We just recall, estimation means approx, also called round off. For this, 81 is nearest to 80, 49 is nearest to 50. So 80 is a rounding of value of 81 and 50 is a rounding of value of 49. So this is called round off value and approx value of any number. In this exercise, we solve the exercise question. First question is estimate by using general rule. For this, question number 1 is 730 plus 998. For first we estimate the 730 nearest 100 because 1 stands 100, so nearest 100 means this place. At this place the value is 3 and 3 is a below 5. 3 is a below 5, so we consider as 0. So we put 0 at the place of 3. So nearest 100, the estimate value of 730 is 700. We just put 0 at the place of this. So because 3 is less than to 5, so approximate value is 700. Same as 998 nearest 100. Now at the place nearest 100, that means 9 is greater than to 5, so we consider as 10. That means at the place of 9 we put 0 and 1 carry is at this place, so 1000. So 998 is the nearest 100, the value is 1000. Now just 700 plus 1000, that means 1700 is the estimate sum. So this is your first question answer. The answer is 1700. Okay, now we solve B portion. Question is 796 minus 314. In this question, first we round up the value of 796. 796 nearest 100. That means nearest 100, that means we change the value 9. So we know that 9 is greater than to 5, so we consider as 10. So 9 we put 800. That means 796 is nearest to 100. Same as 314. 314 nearest 100 1 is less than to 5, so we consider as 0. That means 314 is nearest to 300. Now we just subtract 800 minus 300 equal to 500. This is estimate subtraction of this question. Your answer will be 500. Okay, so this is solution of A and this is solution of B. Now C part of this question. 12,904 plus 2,888. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So solution. First we estimate this value, and after that we estimate this value. Nearest thousand, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we change this value. That means 9 is greater than to 5. So we consider 10. This is our concept. So round off value is 13,000. 9 is changes 0 and 1 carry is add 2 plus 1. So 13,000 is the approximate value of 12,904. Same is two thousand 888, nearest thousand. Again we change this value, nearest thousand, that means 8 is greater than to 5. Again we consider as 10. Now we change 3,000. We put 0 and 1 carry plus 2 plus 1 3. So approximate value of 2,888 is 3,000. Now we put the summation. 13,000 plus 3,000 equal to 16,000. This is a approximate sum, also called estimated sum of this question. Okay. Now we try to solve D part of this question. 28,292 minus 21,496. Now again we estimate at the place of nearest thousand. 28,292 nearest thousand is equal to nearest thousand, that means 2 is less than to 5, we consider as 0. That means 28 we put 0 0 0. So approximate value is 28,000. Same as 21,496. The nearest value 4 is again less than to 5, we put as 0. That means 21,000. Now subtract 28,000 minus 21,000, that means 7,000. This is your estimated subtraction of this question. So this is all are 4 questions regarding the question 1 by using general rule. So now we solve question number 2. In question number 2, we have already given rounding of nearest 100 and nearest tens. In this question, we estimate the value at the place of nearest 100 and nearest tens. So now Question number first. 439 plus 334 plus 4317. First solution. Now in this question, first we apply nearest 100. Nearest 100, that means nearest 100. Nearest 100, that means 3. 3 is less than to 5, we consider as 0. That means we put the 0 at this place. It means 400. Same as 334, nearest 100. Again 3. 3 is nearest to, 3 is less than to 5, we consider as 0. Again 300. Now 4317, nearest 100. That means nearest 100, that means 1. 1 is less than to 5. Again we put 0. That means 4300. Now we put the sum. 400 plus 300 plus 4300. What is the sum? 1. That means 5000 is the approximate sum regarding nearest 100. Same as we solve this question nearest tens. First we take 439 nearest tens. The value is nearest tens, that means 9. 9 is greater than to 5, we consider 10. So we put 0 and 1 plus 3, 4, 40. Again 3, 4, nearest 10. 4 is less than to 5, we put as 0. 3, 0. Now 4317, nearest tens. 7 is greater than to 5, we consider as 10. That means 4320. Now perform sum. 5090. 5090 is your approximate sum of this question. So this is nearest 100 and this nearest tens. By two methods, nearest 100 and nearest tens, answer will be different. Okay. Now question number 2. B part. Question is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. First we take 1,08,734 nearest 100. Nearest 100, that means 3. 3 is less than to 5, we consider 0. We put 1,08,700. Same as 47,599. Nearest 100. 9 is greater than to 5, So we consider 10. Okay, so we put 0 as the place of tens and 1 is plus 5. So 47,600. 5 plus 1, 6. Now we perform subtraction. 1,08,700 minus 47,600. Your answer will be 61,130. So this is your estimated subtraction nearest 100. Same as we perform nearest tens. 1,08,734 nearest tens. So nearest tens, that means this value. So what we get? Because 4 is less than 2, 5, so we consider as 0. So we put 0 at the place of 1's place. So we get 1,08,730. Same as nearest tens. So nearest tens, this value we put 0. 9 is greater than 2, 5 we consider as 10. So what we get? 47,600. Okay. Now we perform subtraction. 1,08,730 minus 47,600. We get 61,130. Okay. So this is your nearest tens and this is nearest 100. So this is your answer of question number B part. Now C and D part is for your homework. Try to solve. Now question number 3. Following product by using general rule. Your first question is 578 into 161. Now we apply product. First we estimated both value. First is 578. So approximate value is 600 and here 161. Because we apply general rule, so we judge 161 is nearest to 1, is nearest to 200. Okay, so we perform multiplication, that means products 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your answer of this question. First we estimate both the value. 571 is round off, value is 600. 161 is nearest to 200. So this is your answer. Now again we perform B part. Question is $5,281 multiply by 3,491. Now estimate. So both both number it's 1000, ones tens 100, 1000, ones tens 100, 1000. So we perform nearest 1000, that means 5281 nearest to 5000 and 3491 is nearest to 3000. Now we put multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is your answer of B part, and question number C and D part is for your homework. Try to solve yourself. Thanks for watching this video.